This video is going to show you how to design artwork for the different sizes of leggings. We're the only people in the market that allows you to do this, and what we've done is that we went out and bought the most expensive and most luxurious pairs of leggings out there and came up with sizes that fits the best in the marketplace and makes the customers the most happy. So we've done that, and we've sized it up all the way from extra small all the way to 4XL for customer experience purposes. Now, these are not just standard printed leggings. These are very, very high quality leggings that fits really well to your customers. So we're gonna go ahead and show you how to upload designs. So you can go in here and pretty much just find the size you need. You can download all the sizes, open up the size you want to place the artwork in. For instance, this is a small. So I'm just going to drag and drop the artwork here. This is just one way of putting the artwork. If you don't really want to go through these steps, this is for people that are more particular about designs. They want to lay out the artwork a certain way. For instance, you can have text here on the side, or you can have certain graphics for each leg. So then, the leggings become more stylish and unique in a sense, and that you're not just putting patterns all over the place. So, but this is for demonstration purposes. I'm just gonna make both of them very similar. When you're designing here, the designs could overlap, so we want to make sure that you delete this here so that you don't overlap the designs when you pull in two images. You could just erase this piece here. It's not going to be shown. When we print, we usually leave a small, half inch to an inch bleed space here. So on the side, this is actually not going to touch the pair of leggings, only because we want to sublimate all over with no white marks. The way to do that is to extend the design a little bit so that you can cover everything. And unfortunately, we're going to have some bleed over, so that when you design something, just move it. Make sure that if you want it at the edge of the leggings, have it in a little bit, maybe like an inch, and we should be able to get that. The last step to keep in mind, here's a perfect example. You see, if you don't cover all this properly, it's going to come out exactly like this, and you're going to get a little white space here. Now, for the top part, it doesn't really matter because this folds into the waistband so that this goes inside. The only thing to keep in mind is that you got to make sure you put your logo here. This is for the branding. So make sure you have this logo, because this part here, this part shown here, I'm going to draw a blue line just to show you, because I've got asked where the design actually stops. So design should stop close to here, somewhere underneath the label. This is where it gets folded inwards inside the leggings, so that if you want something above here and then seen on the waistband, it should be ideally in this area right here, this area. That's pretty much all you need to know. If this is too complicated for you, what you can do is you can just upload a big rectangle box like this to the art file, and then we'll fix it up for you. So just in this rectangle, just have the right side here, left side here. Only because the leggings are printed in reverse and then sewn together. So make sure you when you're uploading, upload 200 dpi or better, so that we can have the highest resolution. Or you can upload a vector file, or you upload a PNG file, minimum 30 inches wide and hopefully 30 inches high, so that we can get the best print quality for you. Now, when you finish designing a pair of leggings in large, simply save it as a PNG on your computer. You don't need to save it as anything fancy, just save it as a PNG. Name it, give it a name. And then on the compression level, hit none, so you can get the highest quality PNG. When you save it, the file size will be quite large. Don't worry when you're uploading, it can take some time, but this thing would get uploaded. But if you find that it takes a bit of time, You can also email it to us at powermergeio@gmail.com. When you're uploading the file, you can upload the artwork as a JPEG as well. You don't really necessarily have to upload it as a PNG, but you can also do this and upload it as a JPEG. Just make sure when you're uploading, it hits the 8 mark or higher. 8 is preferable because of the file size, and this should be very equivalent to the PNG. If the PNG is too large for you to work off of, you can also work off the JPEG. So then if we take a look at a JPEG, obviously it's a much lower file size and it retains the same resolution, and you get to upload the products a lot faster.